Pambei na Luchingba United National Liberation Front UNLF के Laanmee Shanglup Manipur People's Army MPA के Kuntranipan Shuba Mapok Kumon Thouram Mapung PHANA Pangthokhre HAINA Party ASIGI Department of Publicity and Education के Director CHARAIRONGBA THOKCHOM na THADORAKPA CHEROL AMANA KHANG-HALLAKLI CHEROL asina hai Thouram adu Manipur के manung amasung mapan के mafam kayada pangthokhe Mapung aina MPA General Headquarters के ahanba anishuba ahumsuba brigade kaloinana 291 Battalion, 293 Battalion, 241 Battalion, 242 Battalion, Pakhangba Battalion, Thangzing Battalion, Marjing Battalion, Kobru Battalion, Nongpok Ningthau Battalion, Julu Battalion amade party ke Central Headquarters yauna tongan department singda pangthokhe Kumon Thouram asige mapung oiba Thouram na MPA ke General Headquarters ke ahanba brigade ke headquarters da pangthokhe Thouram atuda party asige acting chairman M Nongyai General Secretary CH Thanil, Secretary Finance I Tonsana, Health and Family Welfare Secretary N Loya, Secretary Organizations S Nongdol Amade, Chief of Army Staff KH Khombana, Maruiba Mithunglen Singh Oina Saruk Yakhe, Thouram Party ke Cadre Staff Officer NCO Amade Private Singa Loinana Miyamge Luchingba CSO Singhi Luchingba Amade Masing Yamlaba Iricha Singna Saruk Yakhe Party ASIGI Department of External Affairs ke Mapan Laibak Amade Laiba Party ke members Singna Sus Thouram Asi Pangthokhre Central Headquarters da Pangthokpa Thouram da Party ASIGI Human Resource Development amasung Publicity and Education Secretary S Tampazao amade Secretary Project S Pankhaina Maruiba Mithunglen Singh Oina Saruk Yakhe First Brigade Headquarters da Pangthokpa Thouram da Lamdam asigi damak thawaina pontha pikraba athoba singi mafam da minute ani tumina leptuna ikai khumnaba utkhe Tungda MPA ke Chief of Army Staff na Laanmee ke Firal Chinkhatke Thouram adu ke Parata Laanmee Singh na Laanmee ki isai Aikhoi Laanmee ni Manipur miyam ke Laanmee ningtam yawol Laanmee sakhe Tungda Party asige acting chairman na Luchingduna athoba yawoloi singi mafamda yawol ki ikai khumnaba utpagaloina na haikat laikat tamkhe acting chairman na MPA ke Haurak wari yauna mari lainaba wari sing miyamda ningsingkhe amade party asigi pandam mayek sing na tamkhe tungda MAC ke yaifa paujel pathokpa maroiba lengbi rakpa singi wafam phongdokhe Thouram asige paujel miyamda yauhalliba media amade miyambusu party asina thagatli haina CHEROL asina makhatana phongdorakli